Now wait. Okay. Now listen, Eleanor. I want you to pull so hard, okay? Pretty good.
She got some down. Here she goes.
No.
Big. Oh, it's muscles. You are getting the hang of this. Gosh, without the bumpers, this would be a bust. I don't know. You think any are going to go down, Oliver?
Did you get that one? Oh, just missed it. Okay, last try.